हेलो एवरीवन, नमस्कार टू यू ऑल। कैसे हैं आप सब? आई एम श्योर यू ऑल आर फैंटास्टिक एंड फैबुलस। व्हाई? बिकॉज आवर NQAS round is around the corner and our preparation is at the top. So yes, we all are working hard and we are preparing for our round assessment, and yes, it will become great, no doubt at all. So today I would like to discuss about something very important. This is very easy, very simple, yet very essential in the healthcare setting. It is one of the process that it is very essential for the infection control process, and the process is 3-bucket color code mopping system. So did you know that even something as simple as mopping can impact patient safety in hospitals? Yes. In NQAS, infection control is a key quality standards. One important method we use is the 3-bucket mopping system to prevent cross contamination. 3-bucket system, we use 3 color code bucket system. For we need to put yellow in the middle, that is to collect dirty water, blue bucket for clean water, and red bucket for detergent. So we need to instruct to our subordinate group D employee to place the bucket properly so that the process will be very easy. So confusion क्या है यहाँ पे? क्या होता है कि जैसे ही मॉप उठाया उन्होंने और सीधा डाल दिया डिटर्जेंट में, तो ऐसा नहीं करना है। क्या करना है? तो उन्हें इंस्ट्रक्ट करना है, हमें एजुकेट करना है, टीच करना है कि फर्स्ट they need to put a mop into in which blue bucket, not in the red bucket. डिटर्जेंट में डायरेक्टली नहीं डालना है, फर्स्ट डालना है ब्लू में, देन squeeze it into the yellow bucket to collect the dirty water. So क्यों ऐसा करना है? Because to prevent the error, to prevent the mistake of other person. Like किसी ने मॉपिंग किया और लास्ट में उसने रिंस नहीं किया, स्क्वीज नहीं किया, डिटर्जेंट में डाल के स्क्वीज नहीं किया, तो ऑलरेडी मॉप तो गंदा ही है ना। तो इसलिए उनको ब्लू में डाल के एंड वी नीड टू स्क्वीज इट एंड देन पुट इनटू द डिटर्जेंट वाटर। तो डिटर्जेंट वाटर में डालने के लिए उन्हें इंस्ट्रक्ट करेंगे एंड देन इंस्ट्रक्ट देम, teach them to mop into the figure of 8 motion, that is figure of 8 inside से outside. Then after that need to squeeze the water into the yellow bucket. क्यों? Because now our mop means his mop is already soiled. So first we need to squeeze it into the yellow bucket and then put it into the clean water, then squeeze it and then again put it into the detergent. तो क्यों ऐसा करेंगे? To prevent the mixing of clean water to the dirty water. क्योंकि dirty already mop जब फ्लोर पे जाएगा तो वो dirty ही तो है। अब हम उसको डायरेक्टली यदि ब्लू बकेट में डाल दिए तो क्लीन वाटर भी मिक्स हो जाएगा डर्टी वाटर से। तो फर्स्ट वी नीड टू इंस्ट्रक्ट देम टू स्क्वीज इनटू द येलो बकेट एंड देन पुट इनटू द blue bucket into that is into the water and rinse it, then again put into the red bucket. तो पहले हम ब्लू में रखेंगे, स्क्वीज़ करेंगे, देन रेड में रखेंगे, डिटर्जेंट में डालेंगे, मॉप करेंगे, अगेन रिंस करेंगे येलो में, देन ब्लू में डालेंगे, देन रिंस करेंगे, देन डिटर्जेंट में डालेंगे. तो ये प्रोसेस है टू प्रिवेंट द मिक्सिंग of the clean water to the dirty water. So in this way we prevent the infection in the hospital care setting. This process is very simple, but you know, in the healthcare setting, mopping, cleaning, dusting play a great role in preventing infection, in the infection control process. So we need to instruct them to repeat this process. Don't forget, this is very, very simple yet very effective process. So this simple system prevents infection spread and keeps the patient environment safe. Clean floor, safe patient, that's quality care in action. Follow the 3 bucket system every time and contribute to better infection control under NQuAS. I hope this video will be useful for you all and you can teach them, instruct them, educate healthcare employee, 4th class Group D employee to deliver the better procedure in our department to prevent the infection. Thank you all for your patient listening. Have a great day.